is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a plastic portable toilet by Camco. I'm going to be using this on my truck bed camping adventures this summer, unless I buy an RV. And of course, with an RV, you usually get a toilet included at no extra cost. So I'm going to open this box, and then after I open it, I'm going to assemble it, and then I'm going to put it in my tent, my poop tent, as I call it, and hope you like this video. So let's check it out. I'm going to toss this. There it goes. Ooh. So this is a Camco portable toilet, 5.3 gallon version. They make another version, 20 liters. It's compact and easy to clean apparently. Whoa. Smells great. It won't be smelling great in a couple weeks. So there's a little knife valve. This is the, it's easy. It's basically a little jug and you just dump it when you're done. Very simple. The reason I bought it is because it's pretty sturdy. It's basically just very thick plastic and it's pretty easy to operate. That's it. And this is the top area, you know, the base, essentially the sitting area. Comes with this very nice seat, A+. And it gives you instructions on how to poop right here. You bend down and you poop, and then you hopefully do some other stuff after that. So this is very nice. It has a peephole, a little peephole, so you can take a peek and say, wow. That's fantastic. So, this is where the water goes around and around and around. It goes from here, around, and then it cleans out. I bought some spray bottles so I can clean this out once in a while. I'm gonna probably use vinegar. And this is you fill this with water and then you punch this up. And right here is where you put the water. Okay? Let's put this together right now. Let's see if we can do this. Again, this is super light. Let me see if I can do this by myself. Okay. Which is the front? I do not know what the front is. I think this is the front. This is the front. And this goes on top of here. And then it has these little locks on each side, and apparently you go click. That's pretty easy. That was easy. I can do it. Let me see. Let me try it on this side. Goes like that. I just go under there and then go click, and there I am. I estimate it's a good 2,000 pounds. I'm just joking. I don't know how much it weighs. So again, plump, plump, plump. And you're set. You put your water here, there. I'm going to test fit it in my tent. Let's check it out. Ow! Ah! I'm now in my tent toilet. I consider pretty good. It's, you know, bump my head against the roof here. So I got all the necessities, TP. And since this is not an RV, I can use flush wipes. And for all you women that use tampons and Kotexes and stuff like that, just put them in there, no problem. And of course, I brought this little spray bottle with me. I bought 4 of them, and you can spray it, clean it with some cleanser each time you use it. And as part of the package, from Camco, they give you these drop-in TST Max little packets. Pretty good. It's supposed to make it smell better. So, and of course, while you're in here, you can just be making phone calls, doing business deals, etc. Etc. Hey, buy low, sell high. Okay, just do it. Okay, etc. Etc. So, this has been Jesus Manuel Menegarza taking a poop, faking taking a poop. I'm not really taking a poop. Faking taking a poop in my little Teleco 3 tent that I bought at Academy. And this is my Camco little portable toilet I'm taking on my next trip. Hope you like it. I'm not going to show you other things like how to fill it with water and chemicals. Just read the package. It'll help you. From Fort Worth, Texas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And please leave your kind and friendly comments. I would appreciate that also. And if you have the time, check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JMMGarza. Thank you very much. From Fort Worth, Texas, this is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Hope you like my pooping tent setup here. My Camco pooping tent. You can put a little table right here so you can enjoy yourself, take your time. Again, you can shove anything in this because you can always just shake it around, shake it before you dump it and just get rid of it. And if it's so small, you can just rinse it off and toilet paper, tampons, whatever. Flushable wipes that aren't so flushable. Again, from Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.